Anong gagawin natin?
Alam eh. Kinakabahan din ako. Magdasal na lang tayo, ha?
Oo, ano si hindi matuloy? Oo naman si Moki.
Ay, Ma'am Astrid, nandito po kami, ma'am! Nandito si Ma'am.
Ay, Ma'am. Flor, Emma, bakit walang tao ngayon dito?
Ma'am
Nasaan
Astrid.
si Muki tsaka si Olive?
Si Muki po, dinala po ni Ma'am Olive sa hospital. Puputulan na daw po siya ng mga binti.
Ano?
Baka ba pwede po niyo tulungan?
Hello, Doc Miranda? Yes, I was the one who sent you that email. Let's talk about it over dinner.
Hindi ba yan yung friend mo sa med school na na-expel because of malpractice?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All circuits are busy.
Mauna na ako. Saglit lang ha. Alis na ako. Saglit.
Sige po, ingat po.
Sana maabutan ni Ma'am Astrid.
Mami, please! Mami, please! Mami, please! Ayoko po, Mami! Mami, please! Please! Mami, please!
It's gonna be okay.
Please, Mami, please! Umuwi na po tayo, Mami! Mami, please! Please, Mami! Ayoko! Ayoko!
Doc, please
Ayoko,
be gentle with her.
please! Please!
Don't worry. Your daughter is in good hands.
Ayoko, Mami! Please!
Muki.
Umuwi na po tayo, Mami! Ayoko po! Ayoko, Mami! Please!
Doc, stop.
Please,
Stop.
Mami, please!
Let's stop first.
Please, please, Mami, please! Please!
Let's count to 10, okay?
Doc. I'm so sorry. Huwag na lang natin tong ituloy.
What? But Olive,
I know. I can't do this to my daughter.
we have an agreement. May kinansel akong surgery for this.
I know, Doc. I'm so sorry. Pasensya na kayo. And don't worry, I will still pay you in full. Let's just not do this.
Okay. Nurse. What?
Why? What's going on?
The police. Huh? Someone reported me again. Olive, you better leave. Hindi sila pwede makakita ng pasyente rito.
What?